Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this face score filter on TikTok. Okay, this is the effect. Okay, you will get all individual score, then an average. Okay, let's try the filter on the screen. Okay, 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 then it will give you an average. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery. In trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, go to the search and here search for face score. Okay, the first one with 488.5k videos. This is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, you got the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect either way from the search or from the effect gallery, what you can do, go to your For You page. Okay, here search for face score filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. You can tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. From there you can use the effect, or if you can't see the effect here, what you can do, tap on any of this video. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there, face score, it's in yellow, just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like voice also, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon, just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.